Di ko alam kung ano. Kung Blood Moon ba unahin ko, yung yan. Upay.
Ito.
Yan.
Sige.
Kill the Blood Moon! Kill the Blood Moon!
My bad. Wala.
Yo, this one, no. Kill them, no. Punish. Fuck. This one, no. Naglalag si Rhea. Kill Rhea.
Careful. No defensive. Meron ako.
Ito nga. Ito. Fuck. Okay, back muna.
Ay,
Back
bite.
muna, yo.
Tang ina, boy.
Yo.
Sorry. My bad, tang ina. Ang bobo ko talaga dun.
Back muna. Kite. Everyone's on cooldown. We're gonna engage in 20 seconds, okay? Wait for our Shaper. 20 seconds, wait. Ay, may RJ ba? Para maging 12 seconds. RJ? Wala.
RJ drop.
Okay.
No GE.
We're gonna engage in 15 seconds, okay? We're gonna wait for everybody's cooldown. Okay, nice.
Ready GA.
Gonna engage in 5 seconds. Nice, nihil na, okay? We're gonna engage in 7 seconds. Patay na kagad tong Blood Moon, okay? In 3 seconds. Patay na to, lang beam yung healer. Okay, come. Wala na yan. Patayan yung beast. Di talaga na mamamatay. Heal the party. Kite muna. Kite muna.
Ito.
Ito.
Yung tank boy.
Kura.
Tank! Focus nyo yung tank, oh. Nalayo ko na. Patayin nyo yung tank.
Patayin nyo yan, please. Patayin nyo. Fuck! Nakahilit ko
Why?
siya. Patayin nyo.
Low.
Engage!
Engage boy.
Patayin nyo. Fuck talaga, putang ina naman. Itong healer, okay. Ano pala sila, no? Kill the tank, bro. Kill the tank.
Nice one.
Nice.
Push. Run them through.
Push.
Careful.
Push. Careful. Kill this to, the one behind. Yo, bro, listen to my calls, bro. The one behind. Not the one in front. Okay?
Careful.
Ito, the blood moon, the blood moon's dying. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, is dead. Fuck, bro! Ang galing ng healer nila. Shit. We're gonna kill the blood moon, okay? In 3, 2, 1, kill the blood moon. Yo! What the fuck is this? Patay na yan. Ayan. Makinig kayo sa call. Ito din,
Push watch,
ito.
dude! Come here!
Bro, what the fuck are you doing? We're winning. Where are you running? Nice, we won. Nice, thank you. Bro, listen to the calls. What the fuck are we doing? Listen to calls, man. Listen to calls.
I
Yeah, we won.
need mana. Give me mana.